Welcome to our Besto Gym Bag Showcase. We've handpicked the top gym bags on Amazon to suit your fitness needs. From spacious compartments to durable materials, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the perfect gym bag to carry all your essentials with ease and style. Foldable and compact design, spacious capacity, lightweight yet durable, versatile for travel and gym. Lightweight and durable, large main compartment, ventilated shoe pocket, adjustable shoulder strap. Spacious main compartment, multiple pockets, durable material, padded shoulder strap for comfort. Stylish design, ventilated shoe compartment, adjustable shoulder strap, durable polyester material. Spacious interior, water-resistant material, multiple pockets for organization, durable construction.